I am making my vegan pancakes. I love this right here, cassava flour. So you talk about healthy flour. The Rock's pancake has nothing on this. So this is real easy. I take my oat milk here. I'm gonna do about 2 cups of oat milk right here. I'm just trying to measure it up because the consistency is so key. Right here. A lot of people always ask me about, well, what do you do for like the egg substitution? And I found a really good egg substitution. I'm gonna mix this in real quick. Is actually applesauce. Applesauce is a really good substitution. I'm gonna get this thing mixed up really nice. Applesauce, though, by the way, helps to hold the pancakes together, and I absolutely love it. But this is a healthy way, not using bleached flour. You take this cassava. I grew up with eating a lot of cassava, especially in the Nigerian culture. We eat a lot of cassava. Either you're eating eba or you're eating gari. But anyways, so I'm gonna get some applesauce, and I'm gonna do about a half a cup of applesauce here. All right, this actually helps hold it together, but also gives it some good flavor. I absolutely love applesauce in mine. There you go, right there. So there's that. A little applesauce here. Now, people go, well, you gotta have the butter. The butter really adds the flavor to the pancake, which is true. I've had it, and I did it. That's a little thick right there. I have it. But I find that coconut oil is a great substitution instead of using butter. And my favorite coconut oil is Vita Coco. This right here is an absolute magical thing. So instead of using butter, and sometimes there are some vegans who they cheat. Lying and say you don't cheat, but add a little cheat and add a little butter. Say, a little butter won't help or hurt. But coconut oil also gives it flavor, which is great. I like to put it on there like that and really get that coconut flavor. So this, if you haven't heard about this, the Vita Coco, this is really good because some coconut oil has the coconut taste. Some of them taste fake. This one tastes, it's legit coconut. I mean, it's like, it doesn't have all that, I don't know, I can't even describe it, but this one and it really helps to complement the taste with everything. It's just like, if you don't do cinnamon, something's wrong with you. If you don't have cinnamon in your pancakes, The Rock should come and try this. I know The Rock loves pancakes, but he's never had my pancakes. Can you tell that I love the applesauce? Great natural sweetener. This is unsweetened, so it doesn't have any of that other stuff in it. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. And here's the other thing. Now, you can actually cheat and you can just eat some of the batter like this. Look, I'm not going to get salmonella. I can eat the whole batter. I'm not going to, it's just cassava flour, applesauce. I didn't put anything in there to give me salmonella, did I? No. Yeah, I'm good. All right, here we go. All right, so let's put up a little bit. Sometimes I just flick it with a little water to see if the hot, but it's ready. It's still getting warmed up there. When it's melted, I think it's ready to go. Put it on medium fire. And I like big pancakes too. I like big pancakes. I don't do them quarter-sized pancakes. I don't do them commercial-sized pancakes. I'm a big dude, 6'6", 260 pounds. Okay? I'm trying to lose weight though. I am trying to lose weight. Oh, and if you guys don't know about this maple syrup is really good. I don't know how to say the name of this brand, but it's Lakanto. It's sugar-free. but it's flavored. But this is monk fruit, so I can get the syrup without getting all the, Now I do cheat a little bit, and I'm just trying to manage how much sugar I take in. But I do a little bit of organic maple syrup with the mix of that, and that really allows me to kind of get that slather. I just like to slather it with just a bunch of syrup. Ready? This is the part where I always have problems. Making sure I get the nice flip. If you don't get the nice flip, and then it just starts splattering everywhere. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Ah! I try not to press down on it because it really allows it to be fluffy. If you press down on it too much, you like squeeze down and you don't get that nice fluff. Yeah, look at that. This is just beautiful. This is amazing. Love this. All right, here we go. Nice and brown. Look at that. Do my little cheat, manage my sugar. I do a little bit of just a little bit of, get that natural taste of it. See that? And then when you really just want to go in on it, this is when you put in this looks watery. And I know you're probably thinking like, it doesn't have that, but see, I can just really, look at this, like 25 calories in like a gallon or something. Look at that. It just cuts right through. Just kind of fold it up like that. This is what you call AHOP, Akbar House of Pancakes.